Cat Blizzard by Madison. It is a nice morning in the snow. Oh no, a blizzard is coming. Meow, meow, I am stuck in the snow. It is so cold, less than 32 degrees, and I am freezing. I need to get to shelter. I need to go inside to get warm. I am so cold. I need a fireplace. I am very warm now. During the blizzard, we should stay in the house. I really want to make a snow angel, but I can't. I really want to go outside. The blizzard is over, so I can make a snowcat. Blizzards are scary storms, but when they are over, it is fun to play in the snow.